In this video, I will be showing you how to change opacity in Canva. Let's get started. From the Canva home screen, I start by clicking on the logo category to browse through the available templates. I scroll through the library of logo designs to find one that fits what I'm looking for. After checking out a few different options, I found an internet security logo that I like, so I click on it to open the preview. This looks great, so I select Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the design loads, I click on the shield icon to select it. With the element selected, I move my cursor up to the top toolbar and click on the transparency icon, which looks like a fading checkered square. I then grab the slider and move it to the left to lower the opacity, making the icon more transparent, and then back to the right to increase it again. Next, I want to do the same for the text, so I click on the words Internet Security to select that element. I head back up to the transparency tool in the top menu and adjust the slider again. I can easily find the perfect balance for my design by sliding it back and forth until the text is at the right level of transparency. Once I'm happy with how everything looks, I click away to see the final result. That's how you quickly adjust opacity for any element in Canva.